So, okay. For petroglyphs at Bon Echo. Oh, there's something right here. I'll turn here. What do they say this is? There's some right here. Have you seen them all?
Pardon?
The petroglyphs, have you seen them all?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, it's Nancy today. Camera's staying with me on steadiness. There. Okay. Hello. Should I put on my hat? I don't want to. Okay. There we go. I'm gonna look at more petroglyphs. Wow, look at how clear the water is. Drinkable. Clean Canadian water. Mazenal Lake. The petroglyphs have been drawn by the First Nations people long ago. So you got one here?
There's some red there, but I'm not really sure. I guess they didn't show us.
So we got to go back the other way and see the ones at the beginning, okay? And then we'll go home and feed the men.
I don't know where there are any other ones.
Oh, they're all down there at the... This is only the second group of them.
Okay, there's ones right here. There's a couple of ones that you can see really clearly, but I haven't got them.
The water line. Water is low today compared to what it was, I guess.
Up there where the streets are.
Where the what? The streaks? Oh yeah. Petroglyphs. No idea what they mean. Just beautiful. Are you finding more, Mary Jane? Yeah.
And then to the right and above it is more, I think that one was the turtle.
They're always done with the red?
Yeah. See the turtle above with the arrow above it? The campfire or whatever?
I
Oh,
like
you're
one.
supposed to put your feet on these things?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I just discovered that. So you can adjust them too, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That gives you a little bit more.
To adjust them, you close them, you fold them up,
Yeah,
and then you push them
further.
further or
Actually,
pull
they're
them.
pretty good right now. Oh yeah, that gives you more stability, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
This is quite one, eh? They really were into turtles, eh? Turtles were like North America was the turtle. I guess Florida and Baja California are legs. I don't know how they knew that though, because they called it Turtle Rock, but how would they know that if they hadn't gone all over it? Are there more over here? What's this one about?
I don't think they told us about that one. But there's another one that looks like people. And